What if Audi finally entered the pickup truck market with a vehicle that combines luxury, technology, and real-world capability? That possibility has generated plenty of excitement. And today we're taking a closer look at the rumored 2027 Audi Vertex pickup truck. But here's the real question. If Audi actually builds this truck, would it be worth buying over the established competition? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're analyzing everything this premium pickup could offer. From luxury and practicality to ownership costs and long-term value, if the Vertex reaches production, you can expect unmistakable Audi styling. A bold single-frame grille, sharp matrix LED headlights, muscular fenders, and premium alloy wheels would give it an upscale presence. Unlike most traditional pickups, it would likely appeal to buyers who want a truck that looks just as comfortable outside. A luxury hotel as it does at a weekend campsite, inside is where Audi would have the biggest advantage. Expect premium leather upholstery, high-quality materials, excellent fit and finish, ambient lighting, heated and ventilated seats, and a spacious cabin for both front and rear passengers. The focus would likely be on comfort during long drives rather than creating a purely work-focused truck. Technology should also be a major selling point. A large touchscreen infotainment system, Audi Virtual Cockpit, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, premium audio, wireless charging, and advanced voice controls would make the cabin feel modern and sophisticated. Safety would likely include adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera. System. Performance is expected to be strong as well. A turbocharged V6 or plug-in hybrid powertrain paired with Audi's famous Quattro all-wheel drive system would deliver confident acceleration and excellent traction in all weather conditions. Ride quality should be smoother than most full-size pickups while still offering respectable off-road capability. Fuel economy could also be competitive, especially if Audi introduces a hybrid version capable of delivering around 25 miles per gallon combined. Towing capacity would likely fall between 8,000 and 10,000 pounds, making it capable of handling boats, campers, and utility trailers without difficulty, while the cargo bed would offer enough space for everyday hauling. Now let's talk about price. If Audi launches the Vertex, expect pricing to start around 70,000 and climb above 90,000 for higher trims. That places it directly against trucks like the Ford F-150 Platinum, GMC Sierra Denali Ultimate, Ram 1500 Limited, Toyota Tundra Capstone, and even premium electric options like the Rivian R1T. Let's be real. Buying a luxury pickup isn't only about the purchase price. Ownership costs matter just as much. Premium fuel, higher insurance premiums, expensive dealership maintenance, costly replacement tires, and faster depreciation than mainstream trucks could all increase long-term expenses. Buyers should expect to spend noticeably more each year than they would with a conventional pickup. The pros are clear. Outstanding interior quality, cutting-edge technology, exceptional comfort, refined driving dynamics, premium styling, and Audi's renowned all-wheel drive system could make the Vertex one of the most desirable luxury pickups available. The cons are equally important. A high purchase price, expensive maintenance, potentially lower resale value, and less heavy-duty capability than some traditional rivals may discourage buyers who need a truck primarily for demanding work. So should you buy it? If you want a pickup that prioritizes luxury, comfort, advanced technology, and everyday refinement while still offering solid towing and cargo capability, the 2027 Audi Vertex could be an excellent choice if it reaches production. However, if maximum towing, lower ownership costs, or proven durability are your priorities, competitors from Ford, Ram, GMC, or Toyota may still be the smarter investment. Overall, the 2027 Audi Vertex pickup truck has the potential to redefine the premium pickup segment if Audi brings it to market. While it would likely carry a premium price and higher ownership costs, it could be a smart purchase for buyers who value luxury just as much as capability. Subscribe for more automotive analysis, because we don't just review cars, we break down whether they actually make sense to buy.